guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Raf. This is just a video showcasing the Stinger Heigh 10 head unit. So this Defender we've done a lot of work on, and in that video which showed off what we've done, I said I'm going to do a dedicated video. So this, I think, is the best head unit upgrade you can do in one of these classic Defenders now. This is a Stinger head unit, and the idea behind this is it all looks completely stock. So if you look at it, it's all built in. It doesn't look out of place. It looks like it's a modern vehicle. Nice big 10-inch screen, so you know you've got really good coverage there. And this head unit does pretty much everything one could expect off a really good head unit. So firstly, when you get it, it looks really stock. It's nice to see. It's got built-in DAB. It's got analog radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth music. Everything's built in. So Apple CarPlay, it's linked to my phone at the moment. It is how Apple CarPlay is on any other car. You've got Android Auto as well. Another nice feature with this head unit is you've got reverse camera input. So on this vehicle, we've put a Stinger. So Stinger actually do a dedicated camera for the back of these, and it looks completely stock. I'll overlay some images. We've installed a camera, and when you engage reverse gear, it goes onto the camera, nice picture, take it out in reverse, comes back out. But this screen's actually got 4 camera inputs, so you can put up to 4 cameras on it. So you could have a front, a right, a left, and you've also got what we call triggers, so you can trigger the right camera to automatically display your right side when you're indicating right, left to do the same. Obviously reverse is automatic in reverse. So it's a very well thought out product. Now, originally when you have one of these Defenders, this is what you get. So this is what came out of this car. So it just sits there, standard single DIN head unit. A lot of people, and when we've done it in the past, they install double DIN head units in them. And as nice as a double DIN is, you know, this is a bigger screen. You know, the biggest double DIN you can probably get is 7-inch. This is a bigger screen, and it looks a lot more stock than a double DIN. So when you buy this kit, it actually comes with a new fascia, a new surround, and a lot of the buttons need to be relocated from this into this one. Some of them need to be moved around slightly. And then these air vents that are at the top in the middle, they'd be blanked out, and you get everything in the kit. But them air vents don't really matter because you have got an air vent either side of the head unit, which still works perfectly well. So it's, you know, all in all, this is a fantastic unit. It's got 4x50 watt output, so the built-in amplifier is pretty good. So even if you weren't adding an amplifier, it's going to make your speaker sound a lot better. It's got equalization, it's got time alignment built in. It's also got optical output, so if you're going to be putting a high-end aftermarket system in like we have in this vehicle, you can run an optical cable from the head unit straight into your amplifier to give you a nice clean signal. One final thing I want to quickly mention on this is, because this is a dedicated kit for the Defenders, if you order it as a proper Defender kit, which you can order through our website, which again I'll try and link down below, you get a few dedicated harnesses which sort of piggyback off the speedometer and off the OBD port. What does that do? Well, it does something really clever. So if I click on vehicle info, so if I go on the home screen and click on vehicle info, you've got different gauges built in, so you can see battery voltage, you know, you can turn them on and off or whatever, oil temperature, coolant temperature, intake temperature. You can see all sorts of information, and you can customize this to exactly what you want. You also can see your GPS coordinates. If you're going off-roading, it's fantastic for off-road coordinates. You can see your altitude. You can also do things like when the engine's running, it's got a speedometer built in, it's got a rev counter built in, and again it's getting all that information from your OBD port. You've also got things like 0 to 60 times. I mean, why you measure 0 to 60 in one of these, I'm not sure, but you've got that built in. You can also see the levels of your vehicle, so if you're using it for camping, etc., you can make sure the vehicle's level when you park up. So all in all, one heck of a unit for the Defender. And honestly, I mean, we've been doing a lot of Defenders for years, and I honestly don't think there's a better system than this. I think it looks brilliant. It looks completely stock. You know, it's got a couple of USB ins. It's got a HDMI input as well, so you can really expand the system. You know, you can put a Fire Stick on if you like, and if you're using the vehicle for camping, you can put a Fire Stick in and use your Netflix or YouTube or whatever in there. Great system. If anybody wants the best screen for a Defender, then this is the one I would recommend. I think it looks better than anything else out there. It's a very popular screen. If anybody's got any questions on this screen, feel free to drop us a shout, drop us a call. I will link everything down below. You know, if you want one, we can supply these. We can also supply and fit them. We're an authorized Stinger dealer. But guys, this is a simple video, a quick video. Thank you for watching this video. If anybody's got any questions, drop me a shout, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out.